Welcome back to Dipansh Video Time, and in this video we are going to be creating a number guessing game in Python. So you know what? Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we'll need to do is import random here. So import random. After we are done with that, we need a random number that we'll have to guess, right? So let's do it. Number is equal to random.randint. Let's do from 1 to, let's do for now, like for testing purposes, 1000. So from a random number from 1 to 1000. At the start, the number of tries would be 0, the number of tries it took us, and if we have found the number would be false. So we'll need to see how many tries we took, and if we have found it, that's why these variables are there. Okay, so the next thing is while not found, guess would be equal to integer input guess, like that, and then that would be our guess. And then tries will plus equal to 1, and then after that, if guess is equal to number, then what we will do is found would be equal to true first of all. So found will be equal to true, and then after that we would print, we would be printing F like that. Good job, you have found the number, and then the number would be number, of course. And then after tries. So if we have found a number, it would say if guess is equal to number, found is true, and print good job, you have found the number after tries. Now then we'll need the elif. Guess is greater than number. Then what would you do? We would print that we are just going to put it in this, and then we are going to be putting that the number you are looking for is lesser than guess. Or elif guess is lesser than number, then it would be print f the number you are looking for is more than your guess. Whoops. So yeah, I think that's it. So we are importing random, we are setting up all of our variables here, the number, the tries, and the found if the found is false. And then while if it is not found, guess is this, and then tries will add up to 1. If guess is the number, then good job, you have found the number. If guess is more than number, then it is lesser than the guess. And if the guess is lesser than the number, it is more than the guess. Let's put this up here and let's run this. Okay, so my guess is 500. The number we are looking for is lesser than 500, so 250 is more than 250. So 325, more than 325. 400, more than 400. 450, 450. Oh, it was exactly the number 450. So let's just test this one more time. So what will happen if I put 451.2? Yup, there should be an error. It's because it shouldn't let in any integer. So it shouldn't let in any float number. Sorry about that. So let's do it again. 500, lesser than 500, 450, lesser than 450, 300, lesser than 300, 250, lesser than 250, 200, lesser than 200, 150, lesser than 150, 100, more than 100, 125, 120, 110, 115, 113, 112, 111. So you can see that it took us this many tries, 14 tries to get the number. So yeah, you can just keep playing this all day long and never get bored of it. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next one. Goodbye.